What if I told you Google Maps has a hidden time machine built in right into it, and you can use it right now on your phone? You can go back years and see exactly how any street, neighborhood, or building looked in the past. Your old house, your school, a place you visited years ago. All of it is still captured in Google Maps Street View history. I'm going to show you exactly how to access it on your phone, step by step. First thing you need to do is open Google Maps. Once open, you need to go to that address. You can search for the address, or if you like to explore, you can zoom in into your map. Find a city. Once in a location, you want to long press to drop a pin. Now this will give you street view. Here you want to tap on the street view, and this will show you the street view of that location. Now to view the history, you want to tap on Google in this section here, and you see the timeline at the bottom here of all the street view of that location over time. You can tap on the street view of a different year, and it will show you the street view of that period. Now it's important to keep in mind that not every location has a historical street view data. Major cities and busy streets tend to have the most historic photos, while rural area may only have 1 or 2 periods. And that's how you view old Google Maps Street View on your phone. If you liked this video, drop a like and subscribe for more free tips every week.